Okay?
It's soft.
Now we do the wine.
The other one is here.
Yeah.
And here? And here?
In here. This is our measuring cup.
Yeah.
First we have to open the bottle. Tell me when. Yep, that's good. Now we put that to the side.
Later.
Yep, for later. Can you peel it for Mama? Please?
Okay.
Thank you. You want to cut it with your knife or with your chopper?
And this.
Okay, so put that away.
And here?
Watch your fingers.
It's yum.
Yeah, that's really yummy.
This.
You can try and see if you like it.
Mmm.
Yummy?
Done. I'm spicy.
You like, no spicy. You like artichokes?
Yeah.
Me too. Now, 2 1/4. Keep pouring.
Lemon.
Very good.
A lot.
All done. Now we make the sauce.
Yep, is my teacher.